Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. To get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off. When the device turns off, hold volume up, down and the power button at the same time. So all three buttons. When you see the Lenovo logo, let go of the power button. There we go, so power button released. And after a moment, we should boot into recovery mode. There we go. And here, using volume buttons to navigate, as you can see, you want to select wipe cache partition, just flipping it over. You can see it's now selected, and then confirm it using your power button. So I'm gonna select yes. There we go. It's now at the bottom. You will see that it's cleared, so cache wipe complete. And all we need to do now is just press power button once again, because reboot system now is selected by default. Let's confirm it. And this will now take us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.